Tips for making money online with affiliate marketing. Optimize for search engines Part 2. Optimize for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a vital component in driving organic traffic to your affiliate website. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you can increase your visibility in search engine results and attract targeted visitors who are actively searching for the products or services you promote. Here are some key aspects to consider when optimizing your website for search engines. Conduct competitor analysis. Keep a close eye on your competitors and analyze their SEO strategies. Identify the keywords they are targeting, the content they are creating, and the backlinks they are earning. This analysis can provide valuable insights and help you identify gaps or opportunities in your own strategy. Look for ways to differentiate yourself by offering unique and valuable content or targeting niche keywords that your competitors may have overlooked. Optimize for mobile devices. With the increasing use of smartphones and tablets, it is crucial to ensure that your website is fully optimized for mobile devices. Mobile optimization not only improves the user experience but also impacts search engine rankings. Use responsive design to ensure that your website adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes. Optimize images for faster loading on mobile devices and ensure that buttons and links are easily clickable. Mobile-friendly websites are more likely to rank higher in mobile search results. Improve website load speed. Website load speed is a critical factor in both user experience and SEO. Slow-loading websites can lead to high bounce rates and lower search engine rankings. Optimize your website's load speed by minimizing file sizes, compressing images, and using caching techniques. Choose a reliable hosting provider that offers fast server response times. Regularly monitor your website's load speed and make necessary optimizations to provide a seamless and fast browsing experience for your visitors. Utilize social media signals. Although social media signals do not directly impact search engine rankings, they can indirectly contribute to your SEO efforts. Create engaging and shareable content that encourages social media users to like, share, and comment. The more visibility your content receives on social media platforms, the higher the chances of earning backlinks and driving traffic to your website. Additionally, active social media profiles can improve brand visibility and reputation, which may indirectly influence search engine rankings. Incorporate video content. Video content continues to gain popularity and can be a powerful tool for boosting your SEO efforts. Create informative and engaging videos related to your affiliate products or industry. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Host videos on popular platforms like YouTube and embed them on your website for improved visibility and user engagement. Video content not only enhances the user experience but also increases the likelihood of earning backlinks and attracting organic traffic. Regularly update and refresh content. Search engines favor websites that provide fresh and updated content. Regularly review your existing content and identify opportunities for updates or expansion. Add new information, statistics, or case studies to keep your content relevant and valuable. Consider repurposing existing content into different formats, such as infographics or podcasts, to reach a wider audience. By keeping your content up to date, you signal to search engines that your website provides timely and valuable information. Implement structured data markup. Structured data markup helps search engines better understand the content on your website and present it in enhanced search results. Implement schema markup to provide additional context about your content, such as product reviews, recipes, events, or FAQs. This markup can improve the visibility and click-through rates of your search listings, making them more enticing for users. Structured data markup also enables search engines to create rich snippets or other visually appealing elements that can attract attention in search results. Monitor and improve user engagement metrics. User engagement metrics, such as time spent on page, bounce rate, and click-through rate, are indirect signals of your website's quality and relevance. Monitor these metrics using analytics tools and make improvements to enhance user engagement. Optimize your content for readability and user-friendliness, ensuring that it is easy to read and navigate. Encourage users to stay on your website longer by providing related content recommendations, internal linking, and clear calls to action. Improve the clarity and visibility of your website's navigation to help users find the information they are looking for. By focusing on improving user engagement metrics, you create a positive user experience that can ultimately lead to higher search engine rankings. Leverage local SEO. If your affiliate marketing business has a local presence or serves specific geographic areas, optimizing for local SEO can be highly beneficial. Create location-specific landing pages or content that targets local keywords and includes relevant information for your target audience. List your business on local directories and review sites, ensuring consistency in your business name, address, and phone number, NAP. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews, as they can enhance your local visibility and reputation. Monitor and adapt to algorithm updates. Search engine algorithms are constantly evolving, and it's crucial to stay informed about any major updates. Search engines like Google regularly roll out algorithm changes that can impact your website's rankings. Stay updated with industry news, subscribe to reliable SEO blogs, and participate in relevant forums or communities to keep track of algorithm updates. Understand how these changes may affect your website and make necessary adjustments to your SEO strategies to remain compliant and maintain or improve your rankings. Track conversion metrics. While attracting traffic to your affiliate marketing website is important, ultimately, the goal is to drive conversions and generate revenue. Track and analyze your conversion metrics to understand the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. Identify the sources of your highest converting traffic and focus on optimizing those channels. Implement conversion tracking tools and set up goals within your analytics platform to monitor the performance of your affiliate links and campaigns. Use this data to refine your strategies and allocate resources to the most profitable channels. Test and optimize landing pages. Landing pages play a crucial role in converting visitors into customers. Continuously test and optimize your landing pages to improve their effectiveness. Experiment with different layouts, headlines, call to action buttons, and content to find the best combination that drives conversions. Use A/B testing to compare variations and determine which elements resonate most with your audience. Analyze user behavior on your landing pages, such as heat maps and click-through rates, to identify areas for improvement and optimize for better performance. Explore email marketing. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for affiliate marketers to engage with their audience and promote affiliate products or services. Build an email list of interested subscribers and regularly communicate with them by providing valuable content, exclusive offers, and personalized recommendations. Segment your email list based on user preferences and behavior to deliver targeted messages. By nurturing your email subscribers, you can build trust, establish yourself as an authority, and increase the likelihood of earning affiliate commissions. Stay compliant with affiliate marketing regulations. As an affiliate marketer, it's crucial to understand and comply with the regulations and guidelines set forth by advertising networks, affiliate programs, and regulatory bodies. Familiarize yourself with the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, guidelines on disclosing affiliate relationships. Clearly disclose your affiliate partnerships in your content and use appropriate disclaimers. Failure to comply with these regulations can lead to penalties, damage your reputation, and negatively impact your SEO efforts. Continuously test and iterate. The world of affiliate marketing is dynamic, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Continuously test different strategies, techniques, and approaches to find what works best for your audience and niche. Analyze the results of your efforts, gather feedback from your audience, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your approach. Stay curious, experiment, and adapt your strategies based on changing market trends, audience preferences, and technological advancements. By expanding your knowledge, optimizing your website for search engines, and staying up to date with industry trends, you can maximize the potential of your affiliate marketing website. Remember to provide valuable content, prioritize user experience, and build authoritative backlinks. Regularly monitor and analyze your website's performance, adapt to algorithm updates, and continuously optimize your strategies. With a comprehensive approach to SEO and a focus on delivering value to your audience, you can increase organic traffic, attract qualified leads, and achieve success in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires dedication, patience, and constant improvement. Stay informed, stay proactive, and always prioritize the needs of your audience. By following these guidelines and continuously refining your SEO efforts, you can build a strong foundation for your affiliate marketing website and increase its visibility, credibility, and profitability. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment,